What's up, man? Hi there. You doing alright?
Very incoherent.
6201.
Some dude fighting down.
Is this where the car was at?
Yeah, he was literally on 301. He's like, you need to follow me. There's a girl passed out.
Oh, she looks so drunk.
He was pretty angry.
She can barely move.
The only thing she's been able to say is, I'm straight.
You got a driver's license on you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do you have anything for this call?
Can I have it, please?
Is this call? I'm sorry, is this call?
Before. You have run up twice and there's nobody around here.
Return that call.
Denver. Nothing further on this call.
No, we don't have to.
Driver's license? Is it in your purse?
Essential alternate SV unit, stand by for 300, 1074,
Yes, it's in your purse.
6240.
I imagine y'all don't need me.
Sorry about that.
6241.
Can you grab your purse for me? Over in your passenger seat? Look to your right. Your purse is in your passenger seat?
Yeah.
I need your driver's license.
If you're calling 42, he's 97 on
Hey,
26 seconds.
driver's license?
1042. Just checking, making sure you're 1074.
Can you put your strap on? Because your breast is going to fall out.
Sorry.
Can I grab your ID out of your purse? Can you grab your purse for me? Okay. Can you grab her purse? That's right there.
Miss, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Can you ask if they can advise what the name is on our registration?
Hey, what's your name? What'd you take? What'd you take, miss?
Stop.
Ours are either a Derek Dean or a Misty Gonzalez Gallagher.
Is that you, Misty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dispatch 6005 6008 Bravo signal 95 rescue zone break.
What's going on today? Flagged out. She was passed out behind the wheel. Okay. Hey, what's your name?
Hey, go ahead.
Christine, what's up? Oh, Misty, what's up?
What's up?
Got anything going on with you?
10-4, responding. First, you're responding to 1726 18th Street, crossing Orange Avenue.
You with CD right now?
Unit A. Gonna be
You
at
with CD
47
right now?
station.
Let's see.
For rescue route.
How much have you had to drink tonight? Hey, I'm asking you questions. You gotta answer them. How much have you had to drink tonight? Okay. Do you with CD right now? Hey, I'm talking. What year is it? Could have been some set of miles on it. So $50 for you. Appreciate that. Thank you. What's going on? You were sleeping behind the wheel and you're in the wrong way of traffic, almost crashing into a sign, my friend. That's what's going on. See what the issue with that is, though? Why we'd be concerned? Okay. You remember how you got here? How'd you get here?
Good.
10 for 3700 Benjamin Franklin Drive, cross with Stephen Drive and Zone 10 at Leva Beach Resort. Plane advised using the signal 48 at Joyland. Kurt Pass, 17 not 1012. Fire rescues responding to the front lobby for injuries.
Sounds like a sheriff's office.
51 behave is done 301.
10 for.
What's your first name, partner?
10 for 10.
Do you have an ID or something? Do you have an ID or
She didn't. Dispatch gave us a Misty Gonzalez.
Dispatch 6004 units, Hudson and Mount 54.
10-4-10-6.
When's your birthday, Misty?
10 for.
3 times 698.
Say it again.
3 times 698.
Misty, you mind if I check your blood pressure real quick?
Go ahead.
Do you have any medical conditions, Misty?
No.
No. This just goes wrapped around your arm. Okay. Is that okay?
Go ahead.
What's that?
Go ahead.
Alright, let me borrow your arm.
10 dispatch, the other unit can disregard.
10 for. Do we copy?
Do you have any allergies to medications, Misty?
Hey,
Okay.
Misty.
I got
No, we're not doing that. They're just checking your vitals, make sure you're healthy. That's all. Okay?
Okay, I'm healthy.
Let's just take your vital signs and get out of your hair.
Okay, I'm asking you. I'm healthy.
Can we just take your blood pressure without you throwing
I'm
stuff out?
healthy.
Are you going to let them do it or no?
I'm healthy.
You're not answering my question. Are you going to let them do it or no?
How you gonna tell me I'm
10 dispatch
healthy?
97.
That's what they're trained to do.
Okay, I'm
10 for.
healthy. You're weird.
Okay,
Can I
sounds like
see your
refusal
wrist
to
at
me.
least? Let me see your wrist. Feel your wrist.
Get off
I'm
me.
trying to feel your wrist to see if we get radio.
I'm healthy.
Alright, so you're freezing all of our care?
I'm healthy.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
refusal.
healthy. I'm healthy. Hang on. I'm healthy. What you trying to do? I'm healthy.
Thank you. If you need it.
No, I'm good with that.
Okay. Just need the signal strip for the
Yeah.
refusal. All right.
Thanks, partner.
Yeah, appreciate you.
Alright.
Thank you.
Misty, where are you going?
I didn't call you this one.
Dispatch
Oh, that's all good.
Where were you going?
Everyone,
Yeah, where were you driving to?
I'm healthy.
You're what?
I'm healthy.
Yeah, where were you driving to? Like, where are you going?
What do you mean I'm healthy?
Okay, where were you coming from?
I'm healthy.
Okay, that's good.
Dispatch 626
Are you heading home?
Yes.
Where's home?
10 for.
Do you know what street you live on? What's the name? Okay. All right. Do you know where you're coming from?
Yes.
Where?
Let's see if we can get her to step
I'm
out.
going.
You're what?
I'm going.
Dispatch 6241.
You're going where?
2014, holding a twin noise at 31st and left B and Zone 3.
Are you gonna turn that down a little bit? Where are you going?
To go home.
Okay, what street is that? Okay. Are you able to step out of the car?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. Can you step out of the car?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. Can you step out of the car, please? Thank you. Do you want to put your arm through your sleeve so it doesn't fall? Okay, just right there is good. Awesome. What about this arm? Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Go ahead.
Alright.
Sorry, so the victim is
I've had too much
being taken by
Too much to
ambulance
drink?
at a laceration
Okay.
back of his head. I don't know
Anything else?
Currently, his rescue.
Any drugs or narcotics?
No. So you
No.
might wanna, I guess, get a hold of MSO.
Okay. And were you the only person in your car?
I said,
Okay. Alright. I don't feel comfortable letting her do the foot sobriety exercises. Because I don't think she's gonna... Are you able to stand without holding onto the door? No?
I too want to.
Okay. Alright. Can you turn around for me, please?
There you go.
Nope. Stop. Relax.
Relax.
Very dispatch for 97.
Cameras operating.
Very dispatch for me in the college now. I don't see anybody in
You're
here.
being placed under arrest for DUI, okay?
Never.
Alright. We're gonna walk to my car over here.
I got you. You're not gonna fall.
Over there.
We're just gonna walk back over here. All right. There you go.
Oh. Grab
Losing
your
your shoes.
Grab your shoes. Okay, just stay still for a second and put your shoes on.
She's probably gonna be in
Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me or hurt me? Do you have any drugs on you or any narcotics? Okay, face the car for me, please. Go ahead and spread your feet a little bit. Okay. It's a big step, so be careful. Are you able to lift your What?
Can you hear my name?
Can I hear your name?
Can you hear my name?
Did he advise 10:15? No.
Dispatch station, can you switch to IP?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
His friend is still here at the hotel. Three dispatch, you see what's on that caller. Don't have normal time, so contact me so far. Let me try to call him and complain about
Open container. Huh? Open container. Kinda.
Sorry about that. We do have more signal 14. The caller called back to advise they'll make a report in the
She
morning.
kicked you. Good.
10-4. To signal 14, there is a car in the driveway now that The hood is warm, so I believe it might have returned. Cover.
Casamigos.
Okay. Good for her. Spit on the cars. Oh. Alright, can you get out? Can you put your feet out here? Misty.
Huh.
I need you to get out of the car.
Come on.
Just gonna grab her out of the car. All right, lean forward.
I'm gonna put your shoes back on. There you go, put your shoe back on. There we go.
Yeah. Like,
Alright, take a step backwards. Step backwards. Come on. Step backwards. Step backwards. Come on. Come on. Watch your head.
yeah.
This way.
Right, turn that way.
Turn. Keep coming. There we go. Find the warm. Right? Let's go. And keep focusing.
The toenail's gonna hurt tomorrow.
609, that's 1050.
Yeah.
609. Order Paul Victor Mary, give me 5, it's in a white Hyundai going into 78.
That's great. What's going on, man? So then I parked my car. I got here early because I came to cover over here. So I got here early, so I took a walk and smoked a cigarette. I swore I locked my car, but apparently I didn't because my bag with my laptop and everything for work and my personal bag was gone. They took it right out the front seat.
Was your bag with a lot? What does it look like?
It's one of those.
Like a crossbody bag?
Yeah, and it's got a laptop. There's two bags. It's like I don't know how somebody walked away with that. I don't know. It's almost impossible to walk that because the other one's a bigger bag. There's two of them.
There's two.
One is really wide and it's got papers and my personal bag, and then there's a second bag with the laptop for work.
Okay.
And both of them were on the front seat and they're gone. Nothing else has gone out of my car except that because they probably could see it. But I'm confused. I don't know how somebody, unless in a vehicle, because
Okay.
two big bags for somebody to walk away with them
Copy
and
of
not
28.
be seen. I went all the way to the water and back.
India, Victor, Romeo, 5 times.
So where were you when you walked away?
Right here, like one of these spots. I drove around to see if I see somebody, because I mean, it's impossible unless you had a vehicle and threw them in the vehicle.
All right, slow down, okay? Please. I know it's traumatizing, but I need you to slow down for me. So When did you get here? You know what time?
Quarter to 8, 7:40, 7:35, something like that.
Okay, so it's 8:50 right now.
Yeah, I'm supposed to be at work at 8:30,
Okay.
so I was early.
Where do you work? Okay. So you stopped here.
Yeah, and then I walked, smoked a cigarette.
You walked all the way
all
over
the way
there
to the
in
water.
Coastal?
Yeah, and I
Okay.
even used the bathroom because I had to go to the bathroom.
Okay. And that was
And
at
then when
like
I-
7.
Yeah, about 7:45.
Okay.
Then I hung out a little bit. Came back to my car to head on over there, and I didn't even notice until I went down this way, and then to go to work, and then I looked.
You
and
saw yourself was
It's
gone.
gone.
Okay.
I didn't even notice it right away.
Do you have is it a work computer or is it
Yeah,
yours?
it's a work laptop.
Do you have the serial number?
No, my job probably does. I had to call because there's people's information on my computer.
Is there a passcode? Is it passcode protected?
Yeah, I mean,
Like
yeah,
two-step authentication and stuff where you have to
yeah,
get
I mean,
in?
if you get it wrong, I mean,
What kind of computer is it?
I think it's a Dell thing.
Dell?
I think so.
What color was the bag that it was in?
They're both black bags. There's two.
Both were taken.
Yeah, my
Both
other
are missing?
bag is all personal stuff. My checkbooks, personal stuff.
Okay. Any credit cards, wallet, cash, anything like
no,
that?
my wallet is on me.
Okay.
Thank God I don't. But my checkbook is on there. I don't know what they could do with my checkbook.
So one bag is like a briefcase kind of for the
Yeah,
laptop.
it's bigger. Yeah, they're both like that. But one is wider, the one my personal bag. The other one is slim.
Okay.
It's just the laptop.
They're both black?
Yes.
Okay. And is there anything else in there electronics? Or is it just the computer?
No, just the computer.
Okay.
Just the laptop.
Alright.
So the last time you saw it, 7:45, and then when did you come back to realize it was gone?
5 after 8, maybe.
So it was only like 20 minutes.
Yeah, 15, 20 minutes.
And you're certain it was around 7:45?
Yeah, right. Maybe 7:50.
Okay.
What's your first name, boss?
Rod.
R-O-D?
Yes.
Middle name? Last name? What's your... Alright, give me 1 second, alright, Rod?
Okay.
Was anything disheveled in the car when you got in? Did
No.
you notice?
No.
Where was that? Just so you can show me, where was everything in the car?
It's right there.
On the seat?
Yep.
Okay.
Right
Sitting
on the front seat. Nothing was disheveled. Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing else.
Can you, while we're working on all this, would you mind calling your job and getting the serial number for your computer?
Okay.
Okay.
First up, Rod, Romeo.
Alright, they're already running them.
Hello? Police want to know if I can get the serial number to the laptop. So I don't have one. Yeah, that's fine. I guess so. She can't get it right now. She's got to call like some other people to get the number. Yeah. Yeah.
Go ahead, man. Hey, can I go talk to these guys over here? They're sitting over here every morning. They might have seen him.
Probably one of them that took it. Not gonna talk to them.
No?
They saw him park his car. One of them is an asshole. And I don't put it past him. Here you are. Thank you. Appreciate it. I'm gonna start dinging you if I'm on and I'm cursing.
Raj, she's checking all the cameras that we got, see if we see anything. I guess if you can get the serial number off the laptop, and then we'll just go from there after that. Can they track it at all? Sometimes they can track those. They can like ping it.
Oh, yeah.
Do you come to this park a lot?
Only when if I come to work up because I live in Fort Lauderdale.
You see all these homeless people? Dude?
I know, and I saw that. I didn't think anything of it. They want to know that if like you can ping the computer too, like if they can, you know, like see where it is.
Sometimes they have the ability to.
Uh-huh. And okay, all right, thanks. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Finding out.
And then they want me to call the IT guy.
Okay. Yeah, he might have access to the serial number.
Hello, Mark. Hey, it's Rod from Central. Sasha said to call you right now. You at the park and take one. So I got here early for work and somebody took my bags out of my car. I'm not talking about possible. They want to know the police officer's here. He wants to know if there's some kind of number, if you guys can ping it. You want to talk to him? Okay, hold on a second. It's Mark. He's the IT guy. Speakers. Where is it? Yeah, where were you at? Like,
Hey, Mark, can you hear me?
Because I went around and came back.
It was on this side?
Yeah, I'm definitely on the. I don't know if it's exactly.
Were you closer over here?
Probably. Yeah, because I left to see if I see anybody driving around. I mean, you know, with my bags.
Okay.
So I left. I came back. I called my boss, and that's when she said to call the cops. I wasn't probably exactly in that spot, but on this side.
So, just to clarify, you got here around 7:45. You went out there, you walked over to the water to smoke a cigarette.
Yeah.
Walked along the water a little bit.
Yeah, I used the bathroom.
Came back, left around 8:05-ish.
Something like that, yeah.
Circled around. When you got to that road over there is when you noticed your bag gone?
Yeah. Well, I noticed it missing, and I drove around to look.
You noticed it before you left?
Yes.
Okay. Because originally you said that you noticed it over here.
Yeah.
So now it's over
No,
here?
I left, and then I noticed it was. I didn't notice it right away. No.
Okay. All right.
Didn't say they can ping it.
They can't. They tried to ping it. It's not on. So you can't ping it if it's not on. They don't have LoJack on those. He's emailing me the service tag, which is the number that Dell assigns to each computer, like the serial number, I'm assuming. So I can put that in the report. And if this
So if they turn it
individual
on,
tries
can they?
to, I mean, they'd have to turn it on, and then someone would have to ping it right when they turn it on. I mean, who knows how that. But if they try to sell it at a pawn shop or something, if we got the serial number in there, we can, or if we come across it, then we can start linking it together. Just give me 1 second, all right? All right, Rod. Just real quick, need you to raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell me the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. Do it again. Explain to me in your own words exactly from time to start to end exactly what happened here.
Pulled up, took a break because I was too early for my
At
job.
what time?
A little bit before 8 o'clock. I don't remember the exact time.
Okay.
I walked, smoked a cigarette. I used the bathroom.
Yep.
I came back. Stuff was gone out of my car, and I drove around.
At about approximately what time?
Like 15, 20 minutes later.
So around 8:05, 8?
Something like that, yeah.
Okay. And then you got back in your vehicle?
Yes.
And then...
I noticed it was missing not right away, like a few minutes later. And I looked and saw the bags were gone. And then I drove, went over that way, and I drove around to see if I see anybody walking around.
How far away did you go? Like,
I went all the way down that last street.
Okay. You looped back around?
Yes.
Okay, and you came back down like Lake Ave?
Yeah.
And then pulled in here?
Yeah.
Okay. And then that's when you called us, or?
I called my boss, and then she said to call the cops.
Okay. And just explain to me in detail what was taken from your vehicle?
My work laptop bag.
Okay.
And put a computer in it.
Which is like a satchel bag?
Yeah, and my personal bag, same type, but wider with all my
bigger
personal
satchel bag.
Yes.
And they're both black?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Do you swear and affirm that the statement that you gave was, to the best of your knowledge, true?
Yes.
Truthful? Okay. We're going to do a couple DNA swabs. One under the handle there, because I think that's the only place they really made entry. It was in the front passenger seat, right?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Okay. And then we're going to take one of you just as a comparison so that it's not mixed in with the DNA processing.
Okay.
Okay? All right, so just give me 1 minute. I didn't see any of those little envelopes in your car.
Okay.
I can just stick it in this in the bag and then we can put
Yes,
it in.
exactly.
Cool.
Get his elimination?
I got it.
Okay. Did he explain to you he needs a swab from you?
Yes.
Just to eliminate you from the crime? Do you know what brand the bags were?
No.
And you're certain they were in your seat?
Yeah.
You didn't leave them at home or anything?
No.
Okay.
When I give you...
Did you change gloves? Do you have a picture of the bags? Like if I showed you a picture of a briefcase or something, could you tell me it looked like that?
Yeah. The one with the laptop is like not, material.
Like a zip-up sleeve? Like
and it's thin, and it's material. The other bag, it's fake leather, but it looks like leather, and it's much wider. It's got zippers and the same thing.
It's a zip closure, and then it has clips on the front?
It has zippers in the front, too.
In the front?
Because it's much wider than the laptop one.
Okay. I'm gonna open this. There's gonna be 2 Q-tips in here. You can just swab the inside of your cheeks and your gums over here, and then just place them right back in, okay?
Okay.
You can just grab those. Yeah. Just grab them. There you go. You can just do both at the same time.
Is it like a thin laptop or thicker?
Yeah, thin.
Like a tablet almost, like really tight. Hey, can you come over here for this 21? Bryant Park. Yeah. All right. Make sure you have them marked. Which one's what? Case sheet. Case sheet. Yeah. They don't have any kind of tracking on their computers?
If it's on, it's not on.
Do you get notified, or does someone get notified if they try to power it on?
He talked to the IT guy, I don't know.
He didn't say anything about that. He just said he couldn't ping it because it's not on.
Did he have the serial make model?
He emailed me that, he said.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
So it was like one of these, like, zip around ones in black?
Yeah, the laptop one is thin like
That's what I
that.
mean,
And
yeah.
it has a, put it across your body or carry it on the handle.
Oh, okay, so it's kind of got a handle on it.
Yeah.
Did you buy it, or
It came with the...
came with it?
Yeah.
They look like this?
Yeah, kind of like that.
Okay.
And the other one's the same thing, but it's much wider. And so like the computer one is, like I said, like whatever,
Right, it's
polyester, and it's it's not leather. The other one looks like it's leather, and it's much wider.
And they're
Same
both black?
Yeah.
Okay. What was in the bigger one?
Paperwork of mine and my checkbooks.
Personal checking account?
Yes.
Did you call the bank?
No, I haven't called them yet.
Okay, I would do that. If they try to cash any checks in your name.
What's your phone number, Rob? Are you aware of Marcy's Law?
What law?
Marcy's Law?
No.
Basically, you're going to get a copy of this. It explains to you what it is. But certain information will be not disclosed in the police report.
Okay.
It's up to you if you want that or not. I mean, just something that could be used to harass you or anything like that if someone were to look up the case.
Yeah, I don't want that.
Okay. So you want to apply, then you want Marcy's Law.
Right.
You don't want people to know. Okay, just put your initials here. then you just sign right here. Do you want to take a picture of this? Because sometimes when it goes through the carbon copy, it doesn't print real well. This is your case number here. Look on the back here. You can QR code this, and this will give you all your information on your rights and options and whatnot. That looks like a printer roll. Pretty good job. Okay. All right, we'll be. Just give me 1 second, all right? Okay. Have you sign that? We have the DNA swabs. We got all
You gotta check this, acknowledging he's getting the brochure. Have him initial.
Sorry, Rodney, I missed one. Right here, just put the initials there. I have a sworn statement. They're supposed to be emailing me the serial number of the item.
Okay. Do you have any questions for us? Call the bank. Okay. What kind of checks were they? Do they have designs on them?
Yeah, it's got like a little dog on it.
Like a poodle?
No, just like a regular puppy.
What bank was it?
It's the 2 credit unions in Fort Lauderdale.
What's the name?
Bright Star and We Florida.
Okay. Are they your personal accounts? Okay.
Bright Star and what?
We Florida.
Do you know your account numbers or the last 4 of your accounts? What are the last 4 numbers of the account number?
For Bright Star, it's. And for We, it's.
Call your banks, call your credit unions, tell them that your checks were stolen, and report it. That way they can void those out. That way they can stop them from being used. Okay. You ordered them through the bank, or you ordered them from a separate.
That's from a separate bank.
So they'll probably have to get you a new account number and everything, just to avoid them using any of your money. But just call them, give them a case number, and let them know what's going on. Do that as soon as possible, so they can't cash any checks in your name. Okay?
Okay.
Have you noticed any activity yet on there? Have you checked?
No, because I have like.
You get notified?
Yeah, I was breached with that AT&T and all my
Okay.
credit reports are locked.
Yeah.
To open them, and my bank has notification if any suspicious activity, they let me know.
Gotcha. Okay. So yeah, take care of that. Even though you have that all set up, still call them. Let them know. All right? And there was nothing else in those bags that you can think of?
No,
No
just a
extra
bunch of
phones,
personal
work
stuff.
phones?
No, I'm just worried because I have all my passwords all written down on
Was it on like a notebook or something?
just like a card stock.
In the bigger bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
All my everything, credit card, everything.
Like a small little index thing?
No, a big one. All
Like a Rolodex?
A to Z. No, just a 8.5 by 11. So,
Filing folder?
yeah. It's,
Like, describe what it looks like.
it's yellow.
Okay.
Card stock. It's
Okay.
about 4 pages, and this
4-page yellow card stock.
yeah,
Did you write-
it's stapled together.
And they
It's
have
like all
passwords
my
on it.
passwords
so
and everything for everything.
So everything you have that you had on there, go and start resetting all those passwords. Start going and doing that, okay? And we're going to enter the laptop as stolen, so if anybody tries to pawn it or use it or turn it on, it'll be located, okay?
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you very much.
Good luck
All
to
right,
you.
have a better
Sorry.
day. All right, thanks.
This is a sworn recorded interview, reference PBSO case number. Today's date is October 2024. The time is 12:32 p.m. This interview is being conducted via phone. I am Detective Holzenbach, ID 9198 with Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. With me on the phone is complainant Rodney Correa. He is not present with me. Rodney does speak English. Rodney, are you under the influence of any medications that would affect your ability to tell me the truth or understand the questions that I'm about to ask you?
No.
Do you have any mental conditions or impairments that would affect your ability to answer my questions?
No.
Please state your full name for the record.
Rodney Correa.
All right. Do you swear and affirm that the statement that you're about to give me is the truth?
Yes.
And do you acknowledge and understand that whoever knowingly provides a false sworn statement under oath shall be guilty of a misdemeanor of the first degree, punishable by imprisonment up to 1 year?
Yes.
Okay. So Rodney, with that aside, I'm going to take you back to June 6th of this year and your contact with Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. Can you just tell me what led up to your contact in the Sheriff's Office while you were at Bryant Park?
I arrived a little bit early for work, which starts at 8:30, so approximately like a little bit before 8 o'clock. I'm not exactly sure the exact time, but it was shortly before 8 o'clock. Since I was early, I pulled into the park with my coffee, and I proceeded to smoke a cigarette. I thought I locked my car. I walked to the waterfront, not really observing or paying attention to my vehicle. And then upon return and getting back in my vehicle and approaching to go back to work, I realized that my bag with my work computer and personal belongings, checkbook, etc., was missing from my vehicle. And that's when I contacted the police department.
Okay. What all was inside your... Okay, first of all, describe the bag to me.
There were two bags. One was a leather sort of bag, carry-on, that you put a laptop in that not leather, just regular material, like canvas material from my job with their laptop in it, the plug and mouse that goes with it. And then there was my personal planner, which was kind of, I don't know if it's real leather, pleather, same type of thing, carry bag with my personal items in it, like personal paperwork with passwords and my checkbooks for my two credit unions.
Okay, and what are the names of those two credit unions?
Bright Star Credit Union and We Florida Financial Credit Union.
Okay. And at that time, did you notify the banks, or did you wait till later to notify them?
I went back to work and told them what happened, and then they let me go early because I had to drive back down. That was in Palm Beach County. This happened. I live in Broward County, so I drove immediately down to Broward County and went to both credit unions and closed out both accounts on that same afternoon.
Okay. Had either accounts had any fraudulent transactions at that time?
At that moment, no.
Okay. All right. Getting back to what was stolen, you said the two bags, the laptop. Were you able to ever get a serial number for that laptop?
No, I think I could still get it. I believe the IT guy spoke to the officer on site, but there was a thing where they can't ding it unless the person turns it on and something like that, and they don't have my password. So it was like an unsuccessful attempt to locate where the laptop was, but I don't know if they discussed serial numbers or anything like that.
Okay, can you check with your IT to see if they can, I would imagine that they do have it because they would have to document it in inventory, because I know that they did assign a code to it, but that's not going to allow me to search for it anywhere in a pawn shop database, so you can check on that.
I can contact them and ask them for the serial number.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, also, we spoke at a later date that you had some AA coins that were also stolen.
Yes, that was of sentimental value. I can't replace them.
Okay.
It's like 15 years of AA coins. These fancy ones are like $20, $25 a piece. I had that in my bag because I was going to get a frame done for someone, commemorating that. And so those are kind of irreplaceable. I mean, I can buy them again, but it's not the same as having the one actually given.
Of course. Okay, and when you were at the park, did you have any contact with anyone?
No, because I don't know it. I'm not from there.
Okay.
I used to live there years ago, but I have friends there. But now I was by myself. Like I said, I arrived for work early, so I was just taking a little cigarette break and then proceeded on to work.
Okay, all right. And did you give anyone permission to enter your vehicle?
Absolutely not.
Okay, all right. And do you wish to prosecute?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so we'll fast forward, backtrack to August 8th, where we spoke again, and you had advised that you received notification from We Florida Financial, reference 2 checks that had been passed without your permission.
Yes, since I had moved in May, the beginning of May, the letter, they had sent it right away, I guess. It happened in June.
Right.
Obviously, people immediately went to try to cash checks on me, but I didn't receive the letter until, like you said, August. I don't know, this forwarding, however the post office works, it took that long. Finally, I got a letter from them dated back from June that these checks were tried to be passed, but they didn't go through because clearly the account was closed.
Correct.
And again, I didn't get the notification until August because it went to my old address and then finally got forwarded to my new address around that time when I called you. That's when I received it in the mail. And they said that there were 2 checks. At that time, I obtained copies for you, front and back, and so on.
Right.
The bank statement that you needed.
Right. So you emailed me a copy of your bank statement from that closed account, We Florida, a copy of the fraudulent checks, and then also a copy of the insufficient funds notice from that institution.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. And I would just want to confirm that you don't know anyone by the name of Alexander Dominguez or Alex Dominguez?
No, I do not.
Okay. And let me find the other name here. It is... a Kaylin Fulk, Foulke.
No, I do not know anyone by that name either.
No? Okay. All right. Okay, and when I did obtain Alex Dominguez's bank records, I saw that there was another check of yours that had been passed.
Right, and I wasn't aware of that one either. I never did, unlike we Florida, Bright Star never sent me any correspondence or anything about that check. Only upon you notifying me was when I got in touch with Bright Star and asked them what had happened there, and they said that there was no check passed for that amount through that old account, that the old account was closed. They cannot get me a copy of the check for some reason.
Okay.
Because I know you sent me the front, but I was trying to get the back, but they said they would, and I have to follow up because they said they would give me a copy of the bank statement for that month showing that nothing went through.
Okay. Okay. Very good. But again, you did not give him permission to write that check and forge your name.
Absolutely not.
Okay. All right. Very good. Is there anything else that you can think that I haven't asked that would be beneficial to the case?
No, I'll just follow up with you on the serial number to the laptop, and I have to follow up with Bright Star on that statement because that was a couple of weeks ago and they still haven't gotten me the statement.
Okay. All right. Very good. You swear that everything you told me is the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. That will conclude the interview. The time is 12:41 p.m.
Okay.